In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a view counter to your dynamic Wix page effectively. Long gone are the days when tracking your page views was a complicated task. Today, I'll guide you through a hassle-free way you can keep tabs on your Wix page views using Velo, a powerful Wix tool. Let's start from the beginning. To kick things off, we need to enable Velo. This process is fairly straightforward. First, open up your Wix editor. Once you are in your editor, navigate to Dev Mode, a section specifically reserved for modifying the advanced settings of your Wix site. Now, all you have to do is to click on Turn on Dev Mode. That's it. You've just successfully enabled Velo on your Wix site. Next up, take a moment to decide where you'd like your page view counter to be displayed on your page. Once you've pinned down the perfect spot, it's time to add a text element there. You may ask, what's a text element? Well, a text element is one type of content you can add to your site. For our purpose, we are going to use the text element to display our view counter. Our next step is to establish a connection between the text element and our data source. In order to do, you'll need to select the text element you've just added. Next, establish a connection with a field from your dataset. This might sound like tech jargon, but don't worry. When we say connect to a field, we essentially mean associating the text element with a specific subset of your data. For this particular tutorial, you should select a field that is named something along the lines of views. Now, for the most critical bit, writing the Velo code. This is where the magic happens. And by magic, I mean this code will instruct the platform to increase the count of views each time your page is visited. You have to add this script to your page's code panel. Keep in mind that the views mentioned in the code has to match the entity from your collection that you have chosen to connect with. Without this crucial match, your view counter will not work. It might seem a lot to take in, but once you get the hang of it, adding a view counter on your Wix page could not be easier. The key lies in taking one step at a time and making sure you've understood each step before moving on to the next one. Happy tracking!